Hi, my name's Kat McDowell, and I'm a singer-songwriter and origami teacher here on YouTube. I post music-related videos, origami videos, and the occasional vlog, so if you'd like to see more videos from me, make sure that you hit subscribe, hit that bell button, and you'll get more. Let's get folding!
I love candy canes and holidays, hot cocoa when it's cold. I love making angels in the snow. I like gingerbread, hanging ornaments, eating cookie dough. But I'm coming to the holidays with one wish, and my one wish is you. Ooh, 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 ooh. My holiday wish is you. Ooh, 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 ooh.
So we are just going to eyeball this next fold, and you don't need to fold the middle, just pinch the outsides like so, so that we know where to do the next fold. We're gonna create the hat now.
The presents round the tree, but I'm coming to the holidays, and my one wish is you. Ooh, 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 ooh. My holiday wish is you. Ooh, 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 ooh. My holiday wish is you and I, lost in the magic, side by side, dancing and laughing. Take my hand, yeah, we could have it all. You and I, lost in the magic, side by side, dancing and laughing. Take my hand, yeah, we could have it all. Oh, I love candy canes and holidays, but my one wish is you.
And then we're gonna make the body.
Holiday wish is you. My holiday wish is you and I, lost in the magic, side by side. My holiday wish is you and I, lost in the magic, side by side. My holiday wish is you. Ooh, 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 ooh. My holiday wish is you. Ooh, 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 ooh. My holiday wish is you.
And then we're gonna make little arms.
Christmas time
So put your finger here.
when it's cold out, but we're inside with hot chocolate cookies and pie. In the sparkle of colored lights, colored lights, colored lights. The way that you hold me, the way that you know me, and nobody gets my jokes the way you do.
We're gonna fold it, not all the way,
You're always dancing
but up a
with
little
what
bit.
I'm having whenever
Put your
I'm
fingers
with
under
you.
here
I'm with you.
to about here.
I'm home. You always make it feel like it's Christmas. When I'm home, you always make it feel like it's Christmas. Yeah. Matching socks hung up red and white. Sharing stories told 1,000 times, 1,000 times, 1,000 times. The way that you hold me, the way that you know me, and nobody gets my jokes.
And here we are. We have the body. We have the little elf head. And this is our tiny little Santa's helper elf. So cute.
Wow.
I hope you enjoyed today's origami lesson. Remember to subscribe if you like these videos, and please tag me in your photos if you ever post them. I'd love to see them. I also make origami live on Twitch, so come and hang with me over there. I'd love to see you. If you want to hear more of my songs, there's a playlist here. If you want more origami tutorials, there's some right here. And lastly, I want to thank my Patreon supporters. Their generosity allows me to do what I do here on YouTube. So thank you. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you again next week. Bye!